Coco the cow opened her big brown eyes as the sun peeked over the hills. Moo! She stretched and gave a big yawn. Farmer Tara came by with a gentle pat. Good morning, Coco. Ready for breakfast? Coco nodded and munched on fresh hay. Yum! After breakfast, Coco walked to the pasture with her best friend. They swished their tails and chewed cud together. The grass was juicy, the breeze was cool, and Coco could see nearly all around her. Later, the farm dog barked. One of the gates had swung open. While the animals looked around in puzzlement, Coco remembered Farmer Tara's rule. Always close the blue gate. She nudged the gate shut with her nose. When the sun was high, Coco walked to the barn for milking. Farmer Tara sat beside her with a shiny bucket and gently milked her by hand. Coco stood calmly, swishing her tail and enjoying the moment. Coco visited the chicken coop, where the chicks chirped excitedly. She recognized Farmer Tara's cousin, Max, even though he hadn't visited in months. As the sky turned orange, Coco lay in the soft hay beside Bella. The stars twinkled above. Good night, farm, Coco whispered. I did my best today. She wasn't just a cow, she was a friend, a helper, a milk giver, a thinker, and a peaceful part of the farm.
Each of us has a gift to share. Coco showed us that being helpful and kind is a gift too. She used hers to care for the farm and share her milk with everyone. You have a gift too, so share it with the world in your own special way.
One sunny morning, the farm felt extra special. Farmer Tara tied flower garlands around Coco's neck and painted gentle dots on her forehead. It's Mattu Pongal, she smiled. Today we thank you for all the help and love you give. Coco swished her tail happily as the farm animals danced and played.